Hello there, let's talk about this ergonomic keyboard tray that you can get on Amazon. I have mine working here pretty fine. Let me just show you how it works. So basically you have dual installation. You can install under the desk or over the desk. I have here the under the desk installation so I can move it that way, for example. If I want to approach my desk, I can work like this. As you can see, I have a camera on the top, so I have products that I can record. Then I approach the desk, and then I have also a computer. And when I want to look at the screen and use a keyboard and a mouse, I just move back a little bit and I bring my keyboard back just like this, okay? So I have a keyboard and a mouse, then I can use looking at my screen. It works perfectly. And also when I'm using my cell phone, for example, for notes or something, I just use my cell phone here because there's a space, there's a lot that you can use your cell phone. So I look at my cell phone, have my notes here, and I start talking, and I don't need to use extra space on my desk, which becomes pretty neat, right? Pretty neat. It works pretty fine. And it comes with the tools for installation, so it's pretty easy. You can just use the tool, install this into place, whatever way you want to install, under the desk or over the desk. It's pretty easy to install this because it comes with every details here on the user manual. So basically here you see that it goes 180 degrees, also moves 360 or 237 and different ways to rotate the tray. So it works pretty fine. And you have here the way it works. So basically it's pretty easy to install. You can just, let me just show here how it works. So let me just move everything here. And you see that under the tray, you have the space for the screws. So it comes with the screws, and you can just use the tool, the Allen key that comes with the device, and you just put everything in place here and you're good to go, okay? It comes in two separate parts, so you can't just mount it. Just put them together, put the screws in place, and you're good to go. And the movement, it's pretty interesting. You see the way you can move. So basically, if you're a gamer and you wanna use in a different way, let's say, for example, you're a gamer and you're looking at a different monitor in a different position, for example, you can just move to the side and you still have a way to type here, looking at a different monitor, for example. So it works pretty fine different ways. You can go to this way as well, okay, or just here in the center, or you can use the option on the top. So when you're standing up, for example, on a desk like this that goes up and down, motorized desk, you can use it on the top of the desk and you look at your monitor and it works like this, okay? So I have a headphone here because I can't hang it in this location. So there is a hanger for a headphone. And I can also use this tray. There's a tray that I can put my cell phone, for example. And okay, it's gone. I don't see anything here. It's pretty neat. Then I can put my mouse here and I work like this. Or I can use my cell phone just right here on this slot and have a space here for my wallet, my pen, for example, because I like a clean space, and that allows me to have a clean space like this, okay? Then if I wanna move this down, for example, it goes down and it goes under my desk again. Okay, so it works pretty fine. And it's also pretty good. The material here is very strong. I was testing, so it's a good material. And here it's pretty strong. And also you can install in different types of desks, not just this one. Have thick desk or thin desk, and it works pretty fine with all of them, okay? So it's a good product for using with your office or gaming and much more, okay? So it's pretty good. You can get yours on Amazon. I like this one and I really recommend it.